ADGM stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm just being observant here and just Adagio Medical Holdings stock, I guess that's how you pronounce the name, went up 11%. But I'm just like observing the high time frame and I'm like, right, such a bearish trend. Context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, but this is still just not something that I'll trade. I mean, it popped up on my Finvis thing, but I mean, to be perfectly honest, I will just stay away from this because what the hell is this? I mean, I know it went up 11% since the beginning of the year, but it's only going to be something that I can't like take as a bullish ticker symbol if the price starts breaking above 250 and we're nowhere near that. So that's my bias on ADGM. I don't know who the hell will watch this, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.